Hello everyone and welcome to break 1973 for the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Football Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. It's 10:36 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:36 p.m. Central Time, and 7:36 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Bryant 1 spot, E-Rock 3, Bodell 7, Bonnie 9, Velma 2, Doer 2. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Bryant on top, Doer bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Bonnie on top and bottom. Bonnie, you have the Cardinals, Bodell Falcons, Bonnie Ravens, Bodell Bills, Velma Panthers, Bodell Bears, and Bengals. Bonnie with the Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Bodell Lions, Doer Packers, Bryant Texans, E-Rock Colts, Bodell Jaguars, Bonnie Chiefs, Bodell Chargers, Rams, Dolphins, Velma Vikings, Bodell Patriots and Saints, Doer Giants, Bodell Jets, E-Rock Raiders, Bodell Eagles, Steelers 49ers, Bonnie Seahawks, E-Rock Buccaneers, Bonnie Titans, and the Washington Redskins. Alright, whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. Let's try that again. Alrighty, 1973 is a Dak Prescott auto 7/20 Gem Mint 9.5 Collegiate Premium Ink Silver. Centering 9.5, corners 9, edges 9.5, surface 9.5. We will look this up, but this is going to go to the Dallas Cowboys. Check that out. Here's the back. Giving the auto a 9. All right, sweet. Let's see. Look at those numbers. Dallas Cowboys going to Bonnie. Congrats, Bonnie, on break 1973 for the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Football Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. 7/20 auto, Dak Prescott. Gem Mint 9.5. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button right there, right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay, social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.